The High Priestess, a mystical exploration. Greetings, lovely souls. Welcome back to our tarot journey. Today, we are drawn into the enchanting world of the High Priestess, a captivating card in the tarot's major arcana. Card description. The High Priestess appears with the aura of serenity, her regal presence commanding respect. She sits on a throne adorned with the sacred symbols of the moon and the crescent at her feet, representing the lunar connection and feminine energy. Key symbols and meanings. The moon. The moon is the primary symbol of the High Priestess, representing intuition, the subconscious mind, and the mysteries hidden within oneself. Embracing the moon's cycles enables profound spiritual growth and connection to the divine feminine. Positioned at her feet, the crescent moon symbolizes growth and change. It reminds us to honor the phases of life and embrace the unfolding journey of self-discovery. The flowing blue robe. The flowing blue robe signifies spiritual wisdom and the depths of one's intuition. It encourages us to trust our inner guidance and delve into the mysteries of our souls. The pomegranates. These symbols of fertility and abundance speak of the High Priestess's connection to the natural cycles of life. They encourage us to honor the abundance that surrounds us. The pillars. The pillars stand behind the High Priestess, representing the threshold between the conscious and unconscious realms. They signify the veil of consciousness that separates our mundane world from the realm of hidden knowledge and spiritual insights. Key points. Embrace intuition. The High Priestess beckons you to embrace your intuition and inner wisdom, just as she is the guardian of the subconscious mind. It's time to trust your instincts and tap into the vast well of knowledge within yourself. Lunar connection. Like the High Priestess, you have a profound connection to the moon's cycles and the divine feminine energies that are within us all. Embrace the ebb and flow of life, tapping into the mysteries of the unseen realms and exploring the depths of your emotions. Unveiling secrets. The High Priestess embodies the keeper of hidden knowledge and spiritual truths. This card urges you to explore the mysteries of life, seeking answers beyond the surface. Embrace your spiritual journey and uncover the truths that resonate with your soul. Love readings with the High Priestess. In matters of the heart, the High Priestess brings forth a time of deep emotional connection and profound understanding. Trust your intuition when it comes to matters of love and allow your inner wisdom to guide you in relationships. Embrace the mystery of love and be open to exploring the unseen aspects of your connections. Career reading with the High Priestess. In your career journey, the High Priestess illuminates a period of introspection and seeking inner guidance. Listen to your intuition when making career decisions and trust that you are on the right path. Embrace your unique skills and abilities and allow them to guide you towards a fulfilling professional journey. Life reading with the High Priestess. In life's grand tapestry, the High Priestess calls you to delve into the mysteries of existence. Embrace solitude and introspection, as it will lead you to profound insights and spiritual growth. Trust in the process of life. Allow your intuition to be your guiding light. Remember, dear viewers, the High Priestess invites you to honor your inner wisdom and embrace the spiritual journey of self-discovery. Now, I invite you to reflect on the High Priestess's messages and its relevance in love, career, and life. Thank you for joining us today on this mystical journey with the High Priestess. Remember, the power of intuition and inner wisdom lies within you. Until next time, may your path be adorned with wonder. Much love and light.